Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Sheriff. Yeah. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow. Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh, this is Serge. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah.
Hold on.
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done.
Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
Through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty to you.
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
This is Jason Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao! You're gonna fit right in California.
Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road.
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
Me be jamming now, man.
1, 2, 3, a winner! Who'll be jamming now?
Who is that? Tomater. Wow. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Cool, DJ. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Ringo. Haha. Wow, rod burner. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Whoa, this is Cheeks track. Yeah. This is Mac. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Mac. Wow. Cool, DJ. Yeah.
Pretty music.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez.
Your license plate's got an approved class in my collection. Oh, wait.
Cool, Chick Hicks. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Who is that? Sally! This is Sheriff.
I haven't done this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Whoa! This is Chicken Extract. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Good sugar. Stay with me.
Wow! Rock burner. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. This is Jackson's store. Wow.
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years.
Who is that? Sally.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
You're gonna fit right in California.